All right, finally got my new heater mount bracket with the holes drilled out. It's gonna go down there and sit on top of the chains for the tight fit Chinese diesel heater. And finally got it to work. Made the holes for the intake and exhaust. I made those 1 1/8 inch. And then I drilled the other holes. I don't remember what they were, but they were perfect. Same size as the bolt. So all it took was a little bit of wallowing out. So that way those would be a perfectly tight fit. And then that one was a little bit further away from the hole than on the template, so I had to wallow the intake fuel line a little bit away from the air intake. So pretty excited. Aluminum's all the way around without touching the exhaust, and the bolt holes are tight to bolt down to my heater mount. So when it gets down in there, it'll look like this. Put an extra layer of aluminum in there so that way when the exhaust comes out, it'll be protected between that and the chains. And the intake will be pretty close to the clutch. This little tab will bolt against the little tab you see down there to hold the firewall, plastic firewall against once you put it back together. And then I'll just have to cut some of the plastic firewall out where the next to the clutch cutout, so the head of this heater will actually stick out into the cab about that deep. And hopefully that all works out.